To open a second Robinhood account in 2025, you need to understand the process and requirements. First, it is essential to note that Robinhood allows users to have multiple accounts. But each account must have a unique email address and phone number. Start by going to the Robinhood website or mobile app and clicking on Sign Up. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. Make sure to use a different email address and phone number than the one used for your existing Robinhood account. Next, you will be required to provide some personal and financial information, including your social security number, address, and employment status. This information is used to verify your identity and comply with financial regulations. After providing the necessary information, you will need to fund your new account. You can do this by linking a bank account or using a debit card. Keep in mind that you cannot transfer funds from one Robinhood account to another, so you will need to use a different funding source for your new account. Once your account is funded, you can start trading and investing in stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. It is essential to note that having multiple accounts can provide benefits such as tax advantages and risk management, but it also increases the complexity of managing your investments. To manage multiple accounts effectively, it is crucial to keep track of your portfolio and transactions in each account. You can do this by using the Robinhood app or website to monitor your accounts and make adjustments as needed. In conclusion, opening a second Robinhood account in 2025 requires some basic information and a unique email address and phone number. By following these steps and understanding the requirements and benefits of having multiple accounts, you can effectively manage your investments and achieve your financial goals.